Let's take a look at this Twinkl Tots resource, which helps to develop your 0 to 1 year olds' communication and language skills. The resource explores how these skills can be developed through puppet play. You could use a puppet if you already have one at home. A soft toy also works well for this activity, or alternatively, you could follow the instructions in the resource to create a sock puppet of your own. Once your puppet is ready, it's time to play. Follow the guidelines and tips in the resource to support milestones such as I can begin to mix consonant sounds with vowel sounds such as ba-ba or ya-ya. I can demonstrate a basic understanding of turn-taking. I can focus and pay attention when someone is talking to me. And I can respond to someone in a conversation by babbling. For more activities and ideas, be sure to check out our Twinkl Tots course. Have fun!